See? Micah's 8 months old yesterday, and he's being silly today. He's eating, and the kids are playing with him. So we're going to make him laugh. Go ahead, Davy. Oh, he's going to steal his crackers out of his mouth. Sweetheart. Okay, Nate. Don't choke, doll. Go ahead, Bree. Precious doll. Let's let him swallow his cracker, guys. Just a second. Oh, really? Okay, Nate. This kid cracks me up. Micah. Okay, I'll say who can do it. Ready? Davy. Davy. Nate. Hi, doll. Brianna. Okay. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.